Okay. All right, we're working on the famous Econoline broken cables. Open the hatch. Door doesn't open, but if you pull in the cable in the back here, now you can open it. So, how you doing? I'm going to go ahead and replace the cable, show you as I go. The 3 screws here to pull the latch out so it's easier access to the cable. And it is a 25 torque hex. Pull the latch out. Pain, you got to pull the cable. You have to pull the cable to the side and up and over. So you pull the cable up and over and then it'll come out. But there's a clip here that you push these 2 ends together and it slides up and it releases the cable in the door. The kit comes with the top door and the bottom door. I'm only going to replace the actual broken one. The cable goes in. You open the latch and you stick the cable down in there, and then you push the clip back through to hold the cable in place. So it's just hard to film, but you can see I put the clip back. I put the clip back down. The ball's in there. Now I'm going to hook up the other piece. So, couldn't film this very well either. But if you look, the easiest way to get the ball through there is to push the cable out with the door open, slide it over that, over the latch there, put the plastic in the groove there, and you're ready to go. Yep, now it closes. Famous broken cable problem on these E-Series vans. All done.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.